How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. Just had a rain shower come through. I thought I'd give a quick update on the Griot's Garage Polywax. So this is going to be a really quick video. Start off with the old Blackie here. Get to turn around this way. As you can see, I put this on, was it March 29th, which is exactly a week ago. Today's the following Friday, April 5th. As you can see, still nice and shiny, still beating real good. I have not washed this car. I've not done anything to it. As you can see, got lots and lots of beating on it. Lots of gloss still. I mean, look at that. Holy moly. The thing looks really good. I'll tell you what, those freaking things right there really set this paint off. I loved the car the way it looked before, but ever since I put those on, man. And then the Tahoe. Got water sheeting off right here. As you can see, it's beating real nice there, real nice there. All down the sides, beating real good. So far, for a week, which would be expected, the Polywax is holding up real well and still looking really good too. I did that one too, but I've got it covered up for our upcoming car show, so I don't want it to get dirty. So the longevity test on that one's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be more of a protected version type of longevity test because I got the car cover on and everything. Kind of replicating it being under a carport, but you know. But man, look at this. As you can see, ground's all wet, standing water, rain just come through. They're looking really good. So far, holding up well. See you in another week. Take care.